Come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. I want to talk about the Mseleku household. Guys, Mseleku is a polygamist married to 4 wives, right? They went on a family trip. One wife stayed behind because she's tired of fighting for better rooms. Unfortunately, this time around, the rooms were bashash, the rooms were okay. Every woman was happy, every wife was happy. That is not the point of my discussion today. Umseleku with 4 wives, 4, 3 with him in the vacation. Ugai azanga jobes, nix. Like, what is the point of polygamy if you're gonna go hungry? Like, what's the point? Ngithi bamncengile uMagwabe bamnika ama-opportunity. Hey, yazi bathi phatha left right and center. uMagwabe wathi nix. Yabona le ngibulele. Wathi hawu ngibona ama-miss call wakho ngabo-1 mangiphaphama. Kira hawu girl, biyangibuya because you know ukuthi bebafonela wena ukuthi wozani nizofrya. Hayi. Excuse me. Umseleku shem uyamdinga number 5. Osase active, osase right, ozonikeza umseleku lokho umseleku omele akuthole. Angazi ukuthi nanibona kanjani because laba aqha ngeke sebajwayele indawo. Like, share and subscribe.